Oh, hey! This is Rosa, RCG Creations. How are you doing? I got the oven preheating. Gonna be making a freezer meal. And I put the item name, date, and directions on the baggie. That way it's easy and we know exactly what to do. So this is Greek lemon chicken. Cook it for 1 hour at 350 degrees. And you can use diced chicken, any kind of chicken pieces you want. Totally up to you, with bone or without. Just remember to allot the time difference if there's bone in there. Spray your pan, your casserole dish. I'm holding this up because it's starting to leak. Because I had it out now. When I spray my dish, so I don't get all the yucky stuff from the baking of the spray, I wipe down the sides all the way around. So as it's baking, this doesn't get caked in to my dish and makes more of a cleanup for me. I will put in the description box all the ingredients that I used to make this. It's also a video on one of my freezer meals, because I do like 7 or 8 freezer meals. It just depends on the day of how long I have and how many meals I make. Always have a towel nearby, because there's olive oil in here. And I'm going to grab a little fork. I'm waiting for my oven to preheat anyway. And these breasts were really thick, so I cut them in half. And doesn't that look delicious? Yum, yum, yum. Man, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Here's one big old piece of chicken breast. Look at that. That baby's thick. Oh, okay, let me wipe that down because I don't want that to bake in the oven. Let me lay that one flat. Actually, I've got to move this around because that piece of chicken is awful big. I like to lay my chicken flat so I know it cooks evenly. And there's enough juices in here. I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes, uncovered. And then the last 10 minutes, I'm going to put some foil just on top. Now I'm going to totally enclose it, so the top part don't get real crusty and crunchy and stuff. But it says 1 hour, so 20. You know what? Let me do 30 minutes without the plastic foil. You don't have to put plastic foil. I've done this many times without it. It works both ways, but the top layer seems to get a little bit on the toasty side. I don't care for that too much, so I'm going to do 30 minutes, no foil, set my timer, and then the last 30 minutes I'm going to put the foil on top, and I'm just going to lay it on top. Okay, I'm still waiting for my oven to preheat, so we'll bring you back. And I'm also making a pot of rice. This is going to go over a bed of rice, and then that's going to be our supper for tonight. And there's more than enough in here for lunches for tomorrow, the next day. Okay, we'll catch you back when we do the taste test. Okay, we are back. Got out of the oven. Let's plate this up. A little rice. The rice, of course, got cooked faster than the chicken, but it smells so good. I wish I could smell it. Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. And it just almost falls apart. Ah, you saw that? It just fell. Since the juices have a bunch of oil, I'm not going to put that in there. So, here is my lemon chicken over a bed of rice. And let's take a taste test. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. All the flavors of all the seasonings, look in the description box, will be there. Description with the ingredients and the recipe. This was some good stuff. And the fact that this was made in their freezer, I made this, I'm pretty sure, like 2 to 3 weeks ago. Man, it's so good. Got a great flavor. Put it over a bit of pasta or a bit of rice, or just eat it plain if you're really watching your starches. Don't even use rice. Just eat it just plain chicken. You don't need nothing else. I would definitely add a salad. Maybe some greens for some color. A little bit. I would put some sliced bell peppers in it, different red and green and yellow. Pretty. Anyway, this is a 2 thumbs up meal. Under 30 minutes. We thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.